Okay guys, so today I'm going to tell you that how we can install Anaconda. And so let's get started. So first of all, you can search Anaconda. So you would see this first link over here. So you can press download Anaconda. So you can press crab registration if you want to register. You can also register. You would see your installer over here. So I'm using Windows, so I will install it for Windows. So I have already installed it, so like I don't need it, so I've canceled it. It would take some time and you can install it. So let me open it. You will press it and it would start verifying installer. So next, I agree. I will press all users. Yes. And as you can watch over here, okay, it's fine. Okay, so let me change the folder. So I need this. Okay. So okay, so now you can go next. You can press register whenever you can watch that sister Python 3.2 over here and you can create the package. You should select all this. And after that you should press install. So it will be installing it and it's just now removing the cache. And installing it just it will take some time. So it's just going to finish up. It's installing it. So this is downloading and extracting packages. Now it's just going to be done. Okay, so just going to be done. Yeah. So it has just installing it. It's at the end. It's just clearing the package page now. It's just going to be downloaded. So okay, it's now just creating an uninstaller. So it has also created an installer and just it's not saying installing director permissions. Okay, so if you don't have Anaconda, so you can also use an Visual. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can use Anaconda to install it. Okay, it's installed, so you can press next, and here you would see this page. Press next. You would not press deselect this one and keep selected launch navigator before the navigator. So now it would automatically remove that. Let me remove it. So okay, so it's opening. Okay, so it's running. It will take some time. As you can watch, it's loading. It's adding to Twitch channel as you can watch. So just take some time. So so it's just not loading the application. So on your browser, it would also have opened this, so you can cross it. And okay, so as you can watch, it's loaded over here. So after that, it would say sign in for air coding help. So if you don't have an account, you could sign up over here. So it would help you too much, and you can also sign in. But I don't need to do anything. So as you can watch now over here, you would see all your. So to do Python inside it, you could just run Jupyter Notebook. You could install anything inside it you want. So you can also install Spire, which I think is I use. You could also install Jupyter Notebook, which are automatically installed. You can install VS Code if you want. You can also what's in there. So it would install the packages. So you could also there's new version of Anaconda available here, so you can update it. So if you wanna, so I don't need it. So it's installing. After that, you can also connect things if you want, and here you can watch all your environments and anything you want. So this was all for today. So bye.